Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Remove only the loose section you scored, not the whole wall. Use a utility knife to cut along the seam and peel back 6 to 12 inches. This reveals old paste and any damage. Once exposed, scrape flaky adhesive and wipe the surface with a damp sponge so new paste bonds. Make sure to dry thoroughly. Excess moisture prevents adhesion. While the area dries, mix paste following manufacturer ratios. This ensures proper tack and prevents future peeling. You now reposition the strip carefully so the pattern matches adjacent panels. Apply paste to both the wall and the wallpaper backing if recommended. This increases bond strength. Press the top edge, align visually, then let gravity help as you smooth down. Use a smoothing tool while pulling gently to avoid stretching the paper. Once in place, roll the seam with a seam roller to seat edges. Make sure to wipe excess paste immediately with a damp sponge. Dried paste will show and stiffen seams. You finish by trimming the excess paper with a fresh blade, cutting slowly for a crisp edge. Once trimmed, roll seams and smooth again, then let the repair cure undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. This ensures the paste reaches full strength. If a seam lifts later, don't panic. Lift just enough to reapply paste and press firmly, because inadequate adhesive or humidity shifts usually cause failure. If bubbling persists, make a small slit, flatten, and inject paste behind before smoothing for a nearly invisible fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.